Starbucks ones, and they're like way more expensive. These are the Aldi's ones for $2.99. So I might switch. I'm gonna get both because I don't know what kind they like. I know they like these to go in their lunches. So I'm gonna buy a couple of these for lunches and then that for breakfast. They can eat this with some yogurt. Something to put in the crock pot with some chicken, and all I can think of is fajitas, but I basically do those all the time. So, we did spaghetti squash last week. Let's go over to the organic stuff and see what we can find. Be right back. So I decided to do crock pot lemon chicken, which I have most of the ingredients at home. I'm going to grab some asparagus and some fresh parsley. I need garlic. I've got garlic, lemon, and chicken already at home along with chicken stock. Those will go in the crock pot, and then I'll make the asparagus roasted in the oven with some seasonings. Here's some parsley. No, that's cilantro. Parsley. So, yes, crock pot lemon chicken with asparagus on the side, and I might saute some spinach too and throw it in there. So, found some potatoes, organic red potatoes. And those will be awesome smashed, roasted. So I'm thinking lemon chicken, smashed roasted potatoes, asparagus. It's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm looking at the pasta, and yes, you have all your regular choices, but check this out. Black soybean pasta. I think I'm gonna try this. Since it's a plant-based pasta, but how cool is this for Halloween, you guys? I'm gonna do this for Halloween for my kids and see if they notice. Like, they might just think that it's funny pasta. These black noodles with red sauce looks like blood on top of, like, I don't know, worms, guts, I don't know. So we're gonna go with those. I have pasta sauce at home. I use the Target brand organic pasta sauce. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cut up these peppers that I got. I'm gonna throw those in there. I already have an onion at home. Throw that in there. So that's another meal. So far we have crock pot lemon chicken with asparagus and smashed potatoes, and then we have black soybean spaghetti sauce. I'll do some ground turkey with peppers and onions. Cool? All right, so now I'm kind of thinking of snacks. So I went through the deli aisle and I found the organic mild cheddar and the Colby Jack cheese and smoked turkey breast. So what I'll do with that is either throw that on top of some Ezekiel toast with like some guacamole or some hummus, and or I'll just roll it up. I'll just take the turkey breast, slice the cheese into thin strips, roll it up, and then have either some fruit and veggies on the side. Eat it with some leftover smashed potatoes, leftover asparagus, something like that. So I'm trying to figure out good ways to do more with less. All right, so I'm at ALDI. I don't shop here a whole lot, so I'm trying to figure out good ways to make it work. But I like what I'm finding so far, so way to go, ALDI. All right, so to recap, I bought these chocolate breads for the kids, breakfast, and then these are going to their lunches. I'll do it with the yogurt. potatoes. Turkey asparagus. Applesauce for the kids' lunch. More cheese for snack. My snack, well, whoever's snack. And then we got this full black pasta and peppers. So we got what? 1, 2, I would say like 4 meals for a pretty good amount of money. Cool. Gotta bag this up and go. This right here is why I love Aldi, you guys. I mean, what place can I get? I get my quarterback. That is awesome. So old school. I love it. Bye. That was grocery shopping.